how to find the right filler metal based on the base metal using WeldingPro. Open WeldingPro. Tap material to be welded. Enter any known data such as material name, designation number, or any standard. The app searches the database for the correct welding wire. Example: if you enter Sanicro 28, the app recommends Inconel 625 as the matching filler. Prefer to weld with electrodes instead of wire? Select stick electrode and the right product will appear instantly. Follow our YouTube channel for more tips and download WeldingPro now.